How will you reach the 315 billion euros target? Was the question I was most frequently asked when I visited 28 countries in 10 months. The investment plan roadshow started in Romania and finished in Slovenia. I met stakeholders, students, parliamentarians. Other important questions were also who chooses the projects and how do I submit a project. I explained how the investment plan works and listened to people's ideas and concerns. The feedback from our discussions, from students to ministers, was always that they learned a lot. And I learned a lot. Then after each trip, I came back to my office and spoke to my team about how we can improve even further. All the visits were tailor-made for each stop of the roadshow. To maximize interaction with citizens, many of the roadshows included citizens' dialogues. They created strong media coverage. In total, we had 74 stakeholder meetings, 91 high-level political meetings, 31 project visits, 25 parliamentary meetings, at least 96 press points, and we reached around 4,200 participants at Citizens' Dialogue. Excellent communication achieved broader advocacy, networking and engagement. It allowed for tailor-made local communication to the widest possible audience. So people got to know the backstage of the initiative. The general aim was not to explain the details of the investment plan, but also to talk about the future of Europe and current hot issues in the EU. We are investing in your future.